Today, we're making Chinese BBQ pork, also known as Char Siu. These recipes are perfect for an easy lunch or dinner. So, let's get cooking. For our marinade, we'll prep 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon or 1 piece of fermented red bean paste, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Mix everything together. We're using about 1.5 pounds of pork butt today. We'll use a fork to poke holes into the pork. This will help later in the marinating process. Put the pork into a Ziploc bag. Add the marinade into the bag. Remove air from the bag and zip close. Allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes. In an air fryer, allow to cook for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll cut and cook some gailan on the side. Once the pork has reached at least 195 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll cut it up. Look how juicy our Char Siu is. Yum! This recipe makes about 6 servings and has a great balance of veggies, protein, and carbs. The Char Siu alone also freezes very well and can be used in other recipes that we'll share in the future. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.